Each and every one of you, we are really overwhelmed that the response has been great. Every year we conduct shoulder meeting on shoulder surgery, and the third day, Sunday, we always have a rehab session. Last year it was about volleyball, and we are very proud and we are very privileged to have such wonderful volleyball players from Coimbatore. Mr. Sridhar, our national volleyball coach, has been a great support to us. I had the privilege of watching him play when he was in peak form. Probably India has produced very few top players like him. Nevertheless, we also have Mr. Ramalingam. He's also been his compatriot. Excellent player. He also belongs to Coimbatore. He participates in all such meetings. I also welcome each and every one of you from Bangalore, Kerala and other places. You all have been great physiotherapists, and some of you have doctorates. I welcome each and every one of you. Last 2 days, we've been discussing as to how to do surgery when there is shoulder ailment, for which surgery is indicated. We had about 9 live surgeries, and we had some faculties coming from US and from Korea. We had an excellent time. Such meeting on shoulder surgery is not complete unless it is an educative process for the therapists, for the coaches, for the team managers and others. If you ask Nirupama Vaidyanathan, who's here, please can you get up and show us? She needs no introduction. She's been the top player of India on the female side until Sania Mirza came, and she has won several laurels, several tournaments, and above all, she belongs to Coimbatore. We are proud of you. She's doing big time coaching in San Jose area in the US. And it's so happened that while we are having dedicated this year for tennis, and she happens to be here, what else can we expect? So naturally, we invited her. She's consented gracefully to come at a short notice and be with us. Not only that, she's going to share her experience. Why should she share her experience to the physiotherapist? The audience include a lot of coaches. Can you put up your hands, please, the coaches and others who come, non-medical people? Thank you very much. For your sake, we're going to stick to fundamentals, speak simple terms. And Nirupama also going to join us. Nirupama, would you like to come up, please? And Sridhar, please come up. What we're going to do is have a quick session for about 5 minutes. I'm going to give an introduction of shoulder to the non-medical people, and then we can go over to the main session. I also would like Madan Balal, our own Madan Balal, who is a sports physician for the Indian tennis player. Come. And not to forget, Ashish Babulka. Where is Ashish? Please, can you call Ashish? He is the secretary and president for the Elbow and Shoulder Society of India. Our main emphasis in this is going to be on prevention of injuries, and if you have any injuries, how to treat them. So I'm going to give a very brief introduction for about 5 minutes on basics of shoulder, because shoulder is special. It wasn't so until about 10 years back. A lot of work has gone in. A lot of people have done a lot of research. So there's a lot of new knowledge there. Unless you guys know, unless the coaches know, unless the umpires know, unless the trainers know, this is incomplete. That's the reason why we are sharing this kind of diets for you people. So for you to learn, and if you already learn, you know, please teach us. This is the idea. The talk I'm going to give is not my original. There's a lot of work has gone on by Benjamin Rubin, Kibler, and Giacomo, what's his name? Giacomo. And some of the slides have been borrowed without the permission yet. So please listen to me. So the talk is set point. You have set point in tennis, and we have set point in shoulder. So what is it? Let me first talk to you about anatomy of this ball and socket joint. With the ball and the socket, you have a lot of ligaments which is holding the cup, the ball into the cup. You also have a lot of muscles. Of all the muscles, one group of muscles is very important. That is the rotator cuff muscles, which is just around the ball and socket joint. Very often you read in the newspaper, rotator cuff torn for so-and-so cricket player or tennis player also. So many of these cricket players and tennis players have undergone surgery because of rotator cuff tear. This is what Ashish has been saying. This is preventable. Who can prevent it? You people. Sridhar, Ramalingam. Ajman, where is Ajman? I'm sorry, I didn't pull him inside. Sunil Ajman? Sunil, come, sir, here. Let me introduce to you Sunil. Sunil is the national coach, slowly. National tennis coach for our country. Sunil Ajman. Thanks, Sunil, for having come all the way in spite of your busy schedule. Okay, this rotator cuff is very important. So you people can prevent injury to one of your players, one of your trainees. And I'm sure all this is being taught in the US to people like Nirupama. You're aware of it. So just look at this video clipping. This is borrowed on again, I told you. The scapula or the shoulder blade is the platform on which our shoulder works. You know the shoulder joint is one of the most important joints for tennis or any game. If the platform on which the shoulder is working is not correct, not strong enough, not balanced, not aligned. See, this car is aligned. When the car is not aligned properly, what happens? There is uneven wear of the tire. In the same way, there is uneven wear of the shoulder joint, and which results in slap lesions, which you've been hearing. All the labral tears, which you've been hearing, all this take place. So you can catch them, you can stop them from getting injured. So you have to make sure the scapula, the shoulder blade muscles are strong, aligned and balanced. So you see the scapular muscles over here. These are the scapular muscles, the shoulder blade muscles. How do you check if your athlete's shoulder is working properly? Now we are talking about the platform on which the shoulder is working. This is the platform on which they are singing. The platform breaks and the entire orchestra, the choir falls down. So in the similar manner, when the platform, the scapula, the shoulder blade muscles are not working, it will collapse, shoulder will collapse. It will result in fatigue, it will result in labral tear, result in slap tear, all kinds of tear. Your player will not be able to play. How do you check? Look at this.